Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into Richard Wrangham's mind-blowing book, Catching Fire.
Think about it. Every animal thrives on a raw diet, so why do we literally starve on it?
It's wild. In one massive study, 50% of women on purely raw diets suffered total reproductive failure. Even brave volunteers eating a raw, ape-like diet at a zoo rapidly lost dangerous amounts of weight. Why? Because, as the book reveals, our bodies are absolutely, fundamentally built for cooked food. The cooking hypothesis argues that fire and cooked meals literally altered our anatomy, creating a strict reliance on fuel. This massive paradigm shift totally explains our rapid evolutionary leap straight up to Homo erectus. We suddenly traded the huge, ape-like bellies of our ancestors for a small, incredibly efficient modern gut. This completely breaks the man-the-hunter theory. Our uniquely tiny mouths and weak jaws just can't chew raw meat. Instead, cooking acts like a giant external stomach, doing the hard digestive work before food even hits our mouths. Get this, those gym bros chugging raw eggs, they're actually wasting 40% of the protein. A Python study beautifully proves this. Cooking and grinding meat drastically slashes the enormous energy cost of digestion. Heat physically melts tough collagen into soft gelatin, transforming hard, indigestible meat fibers into incredibly tender, energy-rich meals. By shrinking our gut, we save at least 10% of our daily energy compared to wild apes. So what's the payoff? That massive calorie surplus literally fueled the explosive growth of our big, complex brains. The book sums it up perfectly. We humans are the cooking apes, the creatures of the flame. So if you got lost in the wild today, could you actually survive without a warm, cooked meal?